Hey, Mutita's here. I help you build teams, remote team members. And the more I keep talking about that, people might not get clarity of how the organization, how the company will look like, right? I personally always build a team regarding to the action, the task, and the function of each position. The name tag, the position name, not really matters, but what they do within the company, all that matters. So when we break down to those function of each team member, like this person handling the operation, this person handle the finance, this person handle the copywriting or content, this person handle the marketing. And in case you have any other function like R&D, research and development, and so on, each workflow needs to have start and finish line, right? And they will have their own process. And then they have to be able to communicate within the organization itself, within each team member, the core team leaders, that, okay, this is what you have to do, and what next? Who else need to handle the next process in order to keep the workflow of the companies going. Therefore, you need one leader to integrate all of these functions. And you might have heard integrators, right? So integrators can so-called the project manager or the main team leaders, that another level who see the each component workflow and keep track, keep accountability for each function within the company. And then you yourself, who I'm talking with, will be the visionary who see the biggest picture of where do you want to be, what are the goals, how you want it to be accomplished, the timeline, and then you assign for the integrator that, okay, integrator will see that each component within the company, what are the deadlines that they have to accomplish, what are the things that they might need, the resource or like any assets or any things that required in order to complete those mentioned tasks. When you see this way, there will be at least 3 levels of executive level, and that could be your boutique company already. And this can be all remote. Let me recap. You yourself position as the visionary, the leaders, the company leaders, because you see the biggest vision as an overall picture. And then you assign to the integrator as the coordinate person, let's say, to manage each function within your company. And then each function, they have their own leaders that you could be outsourced for any small company, or you might have full-time employers already, to understand their duties, their roles, and their responsibility. And then they can report back to the integrator right away, so that there wouldn't be any overlapping work, overlapping tasks, and they have no need to fight between each other that who do this, who do that. Have you ever experienced those things? So as you can see, these 3 layers are what I help you build. And before you even start to have integrator or each function just yet, you have to get clear of what you want. So it's come back to you to know your activities and know the tasks that you have in hand in your plate right now. If you're still solopreneur and you haven't think about having any team outsourced yet, thinking about it this way. What do you like doing? What do you do the best at? Don't think about you're going to position yourself as CEO or anything, but what is your function within your team? And then position yourself there, so you understand of how would you like to move forward in the future and achieve your company goals. Either it would be your weekly goal, your monthly goal, quarterly goals, yearly goal, 5, 10 years. It's the same. You just have to plan ahead, reverse engineer, and move forward and make it happen. It's that simple, but I know it's not easy. So sit back, relax, talk to yourself, get the full understanding of What is it that you really want to do? And how do you see yourself within your company? What is the role that you want to play? How many functions within the company that you want to take control over? This is important because you might have to let go at some point regarding to your limit time per day. Everyone has only 24 hours a day. You have to accept that. Therefore, you should delegate the tasks that other people are better than you, and they can accomplish tasks faster, and your company will run as a well-oiled machine. Hope this helped. Comment below. Let me know, do you see the picture as I'm telling you or not? And if you have any question, feel free to just comment down and ask anything. We are here to help. Speak then, and let's get unstuck. Take care. Hey, thank you for watching this episode. If you enjoyed the show, you can subscribe here or here. And this is the previous episode. Check it out. See you next time.